Hello students, our lesson today is about order. First, just after. We are going to write the number that comes just after. Here I have a snake containing numbers from 1 till 20. I'm going to write the numbers that comes just after 4, 12 and 19. Here I have 4. What is the number that just after 4? It's 5. I write 5. Just after 12, it's 13. I write 13. And just after 19, it's 20. I write 20. Here I have three numbers that are not found in the snake. I want to write the numbers that come just after them. For example, here, 24. What is the number that comes just after it? 24, 25. I keep the tens as it is and change only the ones. 57 will be 58. I keep the tens and change only the ones. As for 49, I add for it 1, it will be 50. The 9 will be a 0 and the 4 will be a 5. Here I have just before. I'm going to write the number that comes just before 5, 1 and 9 by looking at the train. The train contains numbers from 1 till 9. As for 5, what is the number that comes just before 5? It's 4. I write 4. Just before 1, it's 0. And just before 9, it's 8. I write 8. Here I have three numbers. I want to write the numbers that come just before them. Just before 21, it's 20. Just before 54, it's 53. Keep the tens 20 here the same and 50 the same and change only the ones. The number that comes just before 30 is 29. Here I have number between. I'm going to write the number that comes between two numbers. For example, here I have two birds. A third bird will come and stand in between these two birds. I have 10 and 12. What is the number in between them? It's 11. What is the number in between 24 and 26? It's 25. And what is the number between 39 and 41? It is 40. Here I have examples about numbers just before, between, and just after. Just before 50, it's 49. Just before 33, it's 32. I keep the tens the same and change only the ones. As for numbers between 11 and 13, it's 12. And 45 is between 44 and 46. Just after 40, it's 41. Just after 91, it's 92. Keep the tens and change only the ones. Here I have the greatest and the least. I'm going to circle the correct number. In the first one, I'm going to circle the greatest number. Here I have 13 grape grains and here I have 5 grape grains. I want to circle the greatest number. The first thing I do is I count the digits. Here I have 2 digits, then it's greater than 10. And here I have 1 digit, it's less than 10. Then the greatest number is 13. I circle it. Here I have to circle the least number, means the smaller number. I have 24 and 42. First, I count the digits. Here I have 2 digits and here I have 2 digits. They are the same. Then I compare the tens. The tens here is 2 and here is 4. Which one is smaller? 2. Then the least number is 24. I circle it. Here I have 2 digits and here I have 2 digits. Then I compare the tens digit. Here I have 4 and here I have 1. The smaller tens digit is 1. Then the least number is 16. I circle it. Here I have to order the numbers from least to greatest. Means from the smallest number to the greatest number to the biggest number. I have 5 numbers. In order to order these numbers, I have to first count the digits of each number. Here I have 2 digits, 2, 2, 2, and 1. Then the smallest number is the number that's made up of only 1 digit. Then it's 9. I write it. Here the rest of the numbers are all made up of 2 digits. Then I start comparing from the tens. 2, 9, 1, and 3. Which one is the smallest one? The smallest one is 1. Then I write 12. I have 2, 9, and 3. Which one is the smallest one? 2. Then I write 25. I still have 35 and 96. Which one is the smaller? The smaller is the 3. Then I write 35. And the greatest number is 96. Here I have to order the numbers from greatest to least, means from the biggest number to the smallest number. I have these 5 numbers. Let us start comparing. First, in order to compare and order, I have to count the digits. Here I have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. I have 2 digits and all. Then I start comparing the tens. The first one, the tens is 1, 2, 8, 5, and 1. Which one is the biggest tens digit? The biggest tens digit is 8. Then the biggest number is 85. Then I have 1, 2, 5, and 1. Which one is the biggest? The 5. Then the number is 55. 1, 2, and 1. Which one is the biggest? The biggest is 2. Then 26. Here I have 1 and here I have 1. I can't know. That's why I move to the ones digit. Here I have 8 and here I have 0. Which one is bigger? The 8 is bigger. Then I write 18. And the least number is 10. I write it. And this is your homework. Practice it and stay safe.